Mafufasi, leave us down. Calm down, calm down.
Yeah.
Marco, now we're gonna talk about RC1.
Okay, what about RC1?
Coach, you have a bunch of papers there. Can I see the first three RC1s?
Do you know what these papers are for? Let's start there.
My friend, I'm talking about RC1.
What is an RC?
Let's do
What is
RC1.
an?
Don't talk about ownership if you don't know RC1.
I don't know. No, I don't know RC1, and I've broadcast before. Tell me what.
Okay, take out one of your papers,
Okay.
Ager, and then go and check for this thing.
Let me
Check for this thing.
Wait.
Yeah, check this thing.
This thing here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is, my guy.
Oh,
yes,
RC1.
You see?
Okay.
Yes, you see.
What
Are
did
you
you
happy now?
That is ownership.
Oh.
So now you believe. You believe now.
Yeah, I believe. I believe.
Let me
go,
tell you
coach.
something since you now believe.
So if it's like this,
coach,
in my life, wait, let me tell you, in my life,
if it's like this, means all of these are mine.
In my life, I
Coach,
didn't wait.
coach,
let me
coach.
tell you, in my life, I didn't know what an RC1 is until today. So thank you.
It means ownership. It means you own the
my
car.
Guy. I've learned something. At least
now we know.
As Innocent. You have showed us what an RC1 is,
okay.
and I can see it on one of the certificates here.
But I'm here to defend Innocent. I'm here to defend Innocent as a brother. So okay, let's go.
Another one.
Talk about we are doing
RC1. Here's another one. Here's another AC1.
Why is Innocent's RC1? Let's see an RC1. I have it.
Here's another RC. Here's another RC1.
No, leave that one. Leave that one. Coach, get another RC1.
So these are all.
I have plenty here. Why should I prove to you guys? I want Innocent back. Bring Innocent, actually. I don't have a problem with you. Bring Innocent.
RC1.
Bring Innocent. Tell him to come back. Hey,
here's another.
This one I can't show you any. Look, this one I can't show you any further. It's already there. Yeah, it's already. But bring Innocent. Bring RC1 certificate.
Another RC1. How many more RC1s do you want to
No, you would produce them. You would produce them. I'm here to calm you guys down.
But I'm not doing any justice. You can't expect me to prove you any further. Where else the problem is not you. I want Innocent, the problem. Where is this fucking RC1?
Then I give up. Then I'm not part of this game. Then I give up.
Unless if do you want to be a problem? Oh, you run away.
Yeah, I know.
Unless if you want to be a problem. I didn't even know about
I have 5 or 6 RC1s. So that means I own all of them. Nice.
I'm not going to disclose for small boys.
Which one does Ino have? RC5.
That's the small boy I'm. Imagine all my energy making noise for a small. Someone saying owning a car, blah blah, depreciates. We need title deeds. Look, my friend, if you want,
this is a title deed. Yes,
go and buy your own.
This. Hold on.
Go and buy your own and leave us alone.
Let me show you. Let me show you how much I paid for this Mustang. Look here. Where is it? Yeah. Look here. Look there.
How much is it?
You can't see. 1.9.
It's a bit blurry.
1.9.
Oh, it's the invoice when you're buying a car, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, something Innocent has never seen in his life. He doesn't even have a single RC1. So why should I show him RC2 if it's there? Small boy. He must come and take the latest version of FL Studio and come make music. Actually, he must come make music for me. I'll pay him for free. That's what he must do. I'll pay him 10,000 every day up until he dies.
If you know, then you know that this is the latest
Coach, let's wrap up, Coach. Last words, Coach.
Okay.
Any closing words?
Last words, guys. In life, there are Don't
5
hate on
types of people. Ne? There are 5 types of people. So you are going to make a choice from tomorrow which one you're going to be. And this choice is very important. Number 1, it's either you be Ndika. Number 2, it's either your coach. It's either your Marco. Number 4, it's either you are Ndamus or it's either your Innocent. It's your choice. There are 5 types of people in this world. Those people, and I'll explain to you. Ndika is one observed and open-minded person. If you are him, you'll always have the right people by your side. Coach is one hell of a hustler. No matter how many times he's down and how many enemies he has, you'll always come out as a winner. Marco, he's on another level. Witches can't sleep when they think of him. Ndamus, he has proven in it to us that due to security reasons, he can't say anything further. Ndamus is... And then we have the last level of stupidity in this world, that is inner soul. So it's your choice which type of a person you want to be. And I'm very much glad that this live happened aggressively as it is, because sometimes we need to express ourselves aggressively. I have seen a lot of public figures being bullied about his affair. You don't think that I know. So if you are a public figure and you are paying too much attention on what your obsessed fans are thinking about you, that's why public figures end up committing suicide. No matter what, never fucking let any broke motherfucker put you down, no matter what. If you have to fucking say fuck you on a live video, say it, if that's how it you feel good. I'm saying this because some people have never seen me go mad, but I have bipolar. Tomorrow when you see me, I'm gonna meet Inner Soul. Trust me, I will never even be angry at him, because I understand that what he just did, I was acting out of anger, and also what he just did, it's a sign of poverty. It's not him. He doesn't see what he, you know. So such people, you can't blame them, because poverty is something that we are just born with from our roots. It's not something you can control. But as soon as he grows up, because it looks like it's only the age, the number which goes up, mentally, he's still as stupid as fuck, because the way he wants to spend his money is just to show people rich he is, not thinking about maintenance and more investments and any possibilities, taking it from somebody like me who has been down and out before. I know fucking very well that I need to respect 1 million, because that's going to bring me 10 million. That's going to bring me 100 million. If I don't respect 63 million, how the fuck will I have 100 million in my account? So that's all I can say. I think I've said enough.
Coach, thank you so much. Thanks so much. Marco, from your side, last words.
How many people are watching there?
I
think
no,
1,500 and something.
All right.
What I'm saying is, I just feel like, you know, people who see this as showing off, right? I feel like they're looking at it at a jealousy point of view.
Point of view.
The point of view is jealous, not having what we have and not asking how we got there. Marco, please teach me how you made this money. Please show me a way forward. Why that when instead of going out and trying to bash me, come through and ask me, listen, Marco, how did you do this? How did you get it? In 2019, you were staying in, you had nothing to show for. In 2019, you stayed in Sunnyside. Nobody cared about you. You used to drive a McDonald's scooter. You own property. You know, you have investments. You own this company. You own that type of company. Marco, how did you do it? No, Marco, oh no, Marco, you broke. Oh no, Marco, coach, you lying. You don't own shit. Come to us and ask us, humble yourselves and say, listen, show me the way. Show me the way.
Now, I respect what Ndiga said. Indeed, Ndiga said, I know you are one of the Forex guys. Please come and educate us. There's a lot of skepticality around the whole industry. Come and educate us. And we came here and he asked questions that he didn't understand. And I explained. You see, that is a sign of maturity. He didn't say, yeah coach, I heard that you were renting an apartment. Why did they? Now you are telling me. How can you tell me about my life instead of saying, coach, you were staying, what happened? I will tell you that, my guy, I ran away because of this. Oh my guy, I was shot. Oh my guy, I had an accident. Where is which car? I will tell you, no, I had an accident. But it's something that I cannot post on social media. You understand what I mean? So maturity is coming to a person and saying, look, I want to get inspired, but I'm a bit skeptical. Please help me. How did you achieve this? Is this really yours? And I'll tell you that, no, this is mine, my guy. This is not mine. You know, I'll humbly tell you in a private space, don't come and tell me what you think is right about me. You are not me. You are not me. You don't own anything. You are not even there on the traffic department system. You don't even have an RC1 certificate. You don't even have anything by your name.
When you came past me in the V class, I was driving the black SVR, right?
Yeah, at Pretoria. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Exactly. And
you know,
I've seen you drive a Mustang. If there's something I did, then I was gonna come and say, Marco, is this car really yours? No, coach, it's mine. I bought it for 1.9. Now I get inspired. Instead of saying, I know, Damus once said Marco doesn't have anything, therefore he doesn't have anything. Because that's what he was told. He's going around gossiping with neighbors who think I'm their competition. Even where I stay now, Marco, these guys don't like me. They think I'm their competition. Why? Because they don't see me going to work. There's multiple cars going in, Uber Eats every time. That's something normal people cannot do. So automatically I'm a threat. What do? They go around in the WhatsApp group that estate of which I exited. They go around gossiping. Yeah, house number Mamang is making noise. House number. Instead of knocking and saying, neighbor, I see you are doing good. What are you pushing? I will tell you. I will never hide it. But and you going out gossiping with people who think their competition, to be my parents, 50-year-old man. How do you 50-year-old man? Let's keep us innocent age. That is 100 against me. What the fuck?
But
how many people are watching now, Ndika? I've lost the real count. It has frozen.
2000.
All right. I think I've said enough. I can't even see the comments anymore.
Yeah. But I was
gentlemen.
In a gentleman. I was going to say.
Oh yeah. You can say. You can talk. You want to say something?
Was that, you know, you must think before you speak. Honestly.
Thank you. Thank you.
So first, you know, what he said first. What he said first off that put him off completely was, you know, Marco, you staying in a place that doesn't look like it costs 10 million. Now look here, right? I'm staying in an apartment. I'll be honest, I'm staying in an apartment here, right? The apartment was 2.8 million. I'm okay with it, even though I might have all this money. You understand why? Because I don't have a wife, I don't have kids, don't have a girlfriend. You understand? I'm fine. I'm okay. I don't have anybody to take care of. You understand? I can stay in a 2-bedroom apartment by myself. I don't need to stay in a 5-bedroom house and waste money just to prove a point to somebody. I'm not an idiot. What I'd rather do is take the other 15 million that I have and invest it and let it generate another source of income for me. That would be the smart. Yeah. And then those properties, you understand? Those properties, those investments will generate a money that I can then, you know, enforce a lifestyle into, such as buying a Ferrari. All of that will pay for the Ferrari. I wouldn't have to take anything out of my pockets. You understand? Everything brought forward thereafter, right, from the investment or the capital generated will be able to pay for this lifestyle that I so want so badly. You get me?
Wow.
Why do it? And why use my own money? Why use my own money? Why not use money that is generated from my own money? You understand?
Make money.
Why? Now, you understand? People don't understand. Money is an asset. Money is an asset. People don't understand that. Money is an asset. You understand? Just like property, just like all of these other things that you can own and invest in becomes an asset, money is asset. Money is king. So when you have money, right, you have some kind of cash flow, right, that can be used at any point in time. You understand? And it can be, and if you can take that same money and generate more money, then why not do that? Why spend the money that you have when you can just make more money from the money you have? You get me?
Yeah, I feel it. Whoa, Marco, what a night. Thank you so much, my brother, for coming through. We need to do this again. We're going to have part 2 of this. I'm not happy with how we're ending up, but Michael, thanks so much, man. It was a pleasure. Look, man, This was absolutely amazing. Keep well. Good luck. And I hope you keep helping more people, man. Make money, make paper. That's what we're about, man. I appreciate you, man. I really do, man. My man.
Easy, bro.